Hi guys, let's begin with the next section, K-means. In this section we'll introduce our first unsupervised learning task, clustering. Clustering is used to find groups of similar observations within a set of unlabeled data. We'll discuss the K-means clustering algorithm, apply it to an image compression problem, and learn to measure its performance. Now we move on to the first video of this section that deals with clustering. In this video we'll understand what clustering is and where it's used. Clustering, or cluster analysis, is a task of grouping observations so that members of the same group or cluster are more similar to each other by some metric than they are to members of other clusters. As with supervised learning, we'll represent an observation as an n-dimensional vector. For example, assume that your training data consists of the samples plotted in this figure. Clustering might produce these two groups, indicated by squares and circles. Clustering can also produce these four groups. Clustering is commonly used to explore a dataset. Social networks can be clustered to identify communities and to suggest missing connections between people. In biology, clustering is used to find groups of genes with similar expression patterns. Recommendation systems sometimes employ clustering to identify products or media that might appeal to a user. In marketing, clustering is used to find segments of similar consumers. That's it for this video.